Hello my name is ธนพล เชษฐาลี EET 1/1 สาขาวิศวกรรมไฟฟ้า 4 ปี I want to make stir fry mixed vegetable. This is a Chinese cabbage. This is a cabbage. This is a lettuce. This is a garlic. This is a tomato. This is a cauliflower. This is a celery. This is a cucumber. I want to make mushroom. This is a brown onion. This is a potato. Thank you, teacher.